Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to the tutorial channel. What I have in front of me is I just got mine, the white color one. These are actually PopRace, the R8 GT LMS version. I think I can call it LMS version. Yeah, so in 64 scale, and so these are really. I just got mine. I think I've seen some people in Hong Kong and China has already got theirs. However, I just got mine in Malaysia, and I'm really excited to share with you guys because this one is my first. These two are actually my first PopRace models, and from the photos I've seen, I'm really quite excited to crack it open. Okay, so first thing is we'll check out the purple packaging one first. So this is actually the previous models. PopRace has been working, a couple of the previous models, right? They have been working with Eno and Mini GT as well, but this time around they have decided to go on their own. So this is actually their own mold. Okay, so these are all based on the real racing team, EVA Racing. Okay, with the tagline, we can't make it alone. So this is how it came with. This is a purple one, and then we have the white version, the second one. Okay, but both also EVA Racing team. Okay, that race in the Super GT series. All right, so it's that new that I haven't done any of my homework on these, but I want to very quickly share with you guys how they look like. All right, so that's in how it came with the plastic wrapper and everything. So one of the thing about these boxes is it's all sealed. Okay, so I did a bit of shortcut, so I got these out ready. So how these works are actually it's a box in a sleeve. All right, sorry about the noise though. Still in the office right now. So that's the sleeve. All right, inside it's blank, and then we have a box with the window. Okay, this is actually similar to some of the GTR that they have already released previously. They have the purple GTR, and then there is the white GTR. I think that too. We are expecting the red one to be coming soon. All right. Okay, so I do have this one already out of the box. All right, so in the box, that's how it looks like with the blister to hold it in place. So it's age 14 and above, not meant for kids. All right, it's a collector's model. It's a choking hazard, so this thing is dangerous. Okay, so it's licensed by Audi. Okay, it's diecast. Project Operation Runa Entertainment, produced by Jammy. Interesting names. I've not heard of these guys before. Yeah. Anyway, so that's the purple packaging, and then the white packaging. It's very similar. Okay, it's a sleeve as well. Basically, the first one was the this is a test type actually. This that was a test version. Okay, this one was a test version. Okay, and then this is the track version. Okay, in the white. So yeah, that's why this one has the number on it. This is number 33, and the purple one, that's a test version. That's why there is no numbering on it. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that aside. All right, I'll just pull one out and show you guys how it looks like inside. So it has that sleeve at the back. Okay, that's a separate part with the blister all in there. Okay, so this one is yeah, we have that. Okay, and then we have the blister. So it sits really very nicely in there like that, so it doesn't run around. So it's quite safe during transport. So I kind of prefer it to be packed like that. Slightly lower risk of this thing, flying out all over the place, breaking out a screw, and eventually breaking the spoiler behind. So I do quite like this packaging. Very nicely done by PopRace. So packaging wise, without the acrylic cover, I don't mind that. I don't think I need that. I can display it loose, or I can display it in a box and stack them up. I think it's fine. See, no issue there. But let's go to it. This is the the first release, alright, the purple version. Hey, no. Hey. That's the white packaging. So yeah, I have not really managed to do my homework. I only know that this is a test version. Okay, I think it's last year, 2019 or 2018. All right, if you do have any additional information, can just put it in the comment section below. Right. So first thing I noticed is actually the intake in front. This is not really an intake. This is part of the aerodynamics cooling features, I guess. I guess this is actually how this probably sucks the whole car down into the ground and make sure it you know, maximize downforce, I guess. That's the first thing I noticed, the details on the inside. Okay, that is very nice. And then next I noticed is the engine details at the back. That is actually very nice as well. It has that Audi logo at the back, so yeah, it's an R8 powered by Audi. Okay, at the back, all the details are pretty cool. It feels pretty solid in the hands. The price slightly higher at the range of tarmac kind of price. Yeah, but quality wise, I think from, you know, what the piece that these two pieces that I have in my hands, it looks quite alright. I don't see any major issues on these ones that I've opened up. Okay, and then the other thing that I really like is that headlamp tinted in yellow. That is very, very nice as well. Even the side mirror detail, look at the shape of that side mirror. That is really very cool. I guess it's really based on the real thing, as close as the real thing as possible. Only this one, I don't think they're able to achieve it. The side mirror, the side window, driver's window, it only has that design thing line on it. It doesn't have that hole for them to breathe. Okay. On the base, nothing much. PopRace logo, made in China, Kara. I guess what the news I gathered is that this mall actually belongs to Kara. Now, who is Kara? I'm not sure. Yeah, like I said, I haven't done my homework yet. So all I know is this mall belongs to a company named Kara. So correct me if I'm wrong, or if you do know any more details about Kara, please do let me know in the comment section below. Right. Apart from that, these are all really very nice little details. Check out that Audi logo at the back. Crisp in yeah, very nice. Okay, and then you have that soft antenna on top. Okay, so it doesn't break very easily. The side mirror feels rubberish as well. It's a bit of like silicone kind of material, rubbery silicone, so it doesn't break that easily. That's very nice. Let's look at the second release as well. Pretty much is the same, exactly the same casting. Okay, it's just a different livery in the green. Apart from that, everything looks pretty much the same. One of the things that I really like is that you see the gap here, how it ventilates. I assume how it ventilates the engine, how it cools the engine on the inside. So that's another detail that is really very nicely done by PopRace. Alright, apart from that, the entire car looks really very solid. I really like how it sits. The ride height is just nice as well. It sits very nicely, and the party piece to this PopRace cars right now is this. Look at that. It rolls very nicely. Not Hot Wheels kind of, you know, level of rolling, but still very close to Tomica Premium. Yeah, that kind of feel. Tomica Premium is damn smooth as well, but this from the other brands, apart from Mini GT, you know, nothing else come close to this. Look at that. Look at that. I can just roll it. Okay, this is really addictive. Yeah. So I guess that's what you guys do, is it? When you buy expensive diecast model and then you do this, right? That's why you want it to roll. Oh my gosh. Okay, cool. So yep, that's my quick view on these two R8 LMS EVO from PopRace. Okay, so that's it for now. For this episode. Yep. So do remember to follow me on Instagram, virtutoys.mj. I will be taking photos of this two models. I'm putting them there, and do remember to hit the subscribe button, and remember to hit the bell so that I don't miss on any of my other diecast videos. All right. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Bye.